Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Outlook PWA stands for Outlook Progressive Web App. It is a way to use the web version of Outlook just like a regular desktop application on your computer. Instead of opening a browser and typing in a URL, you can launch it from your taskbar or start menu. This version bridges the gap between a website and a software program. It uses your web browser as a foundation but removes the extra tabs and search bars. You get a clean interface that focuses only on your emails and calendar. One major benefit is that it is very lightweight. It does not take up much space on your hard drive compared to the full Outlook desktop suite. You still get real-time notifications for new messages. It also supports some offline features so you can view your mail without an internet connection. To install it, you simply open Outlook.com in Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. Look for the small computer icon in the address bar that says Install App. Once you click that, the website transforms into a standalone window. You can pin it to your taskbar for quick access. It updates automatically because it is based on the web version. This means you always have the newest features without downloading big updates. It is perfect for people who want a fast experience without the clutter of a browser. It works on Windows, Mac, and even Linux. This tool makes managing your inbox much simpler and faster. It is the modern way to handle your professional communication without any unnecessary lag or heavy system requirements.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.